Good morning, it is Saturday morning, and today John has something very special happening. What are you doing today, John?
I'm going flying.
He has an opportunity with Cap to take, I don't know if it's like a flight lesson, but he's going with another cadet up into a Cessna, and he's going to go flying for a while. We're pretty excited about it. And I think John's excited about it. We're going to send him up with not the video camera, but regular camera.
It's not working right now.
You can take mine if you're careful with it. Don't drop it.
We're heading over, and I'm getting the jitters. I always get the jitters whenever I do something new. We're here. Here's the Air Museum. We got to turn into here.
I think it's cool. Look at that helicopter. I wish I could fly one of those.
Well, maybe someday you can.
Kids are admiring the airplanes. Which one do you like, Lydia?
They look giant, but they're only for about 2 or 1 person.
Yeah, most of them are. Yeah, they are pretty big airplanes.
Look at all the airplanes out in the air. Like, I think these are all used. Like they have tie downs on them.
There's ours. Growing around it.
There's ours.
I'm guessing they're not used much.
How do you know
anymore.
that's yours?
Oh well, I see a Civil Air Patrol one, and I think that's the only one.
They would give it away. Hey, look, a C-130 nose sticking out of the ground right there.
Cool, look at that.
That thing would make a great greenhouse.
Ask them why.
Well, obviously it's surplus, and they just put it there.
Surplus.
It's extra. They didn't need it.
So we're good. We're taking off here probably 10 minutes.
You can actually see all the wires inside.
Yeah.
It's all computerized, so unlike the older planes where we had round gauges to look at, slide, it's all computerized. A big computer screen, just like you guys probably play with at home. Wind in here, it comes under, it hits underneath the wing, gets deflected down. That downward deflection has an equal and opposite reaction, so it pushes the wing up as well. Seatbelts are just like a seatbelt in a car. The difference with these seatbelts are, they have an airbag on them. So the airbag goes across your belly.
There's John getting in. Are you excited, John?
Yes.
Alright, grab your seatbelt right here, this one. Turns the rudder. Alright, so watch your arm. When you shut the door and push that handle down when I shut the door.
There leave.
John was just moving the rudder.
Alright, I'm going to have you guys step away from the plane.
Okay.
There goes John. There's 2 cadets in there. They're both going to fly for about an hour. John goes.
What do you think, Grace? You like the airplane? Yeah. And John is flying. So they're going to fly from Schenectady Airport over to somewhere in Fulton County at the airport there, and then fly back. Peter, show them your favorite thing.
Where? Right here. Oh yes, this is fun. This is really fun. Oh, they changed it up.
That's the same.
I think they can. Here we go. Here comes Mr. Airplane. Let's land him.
Peter loves flying the airplane.
See?
He's crashed.
Watch. I'm good at it. Watch. Taking off, boys, and we're going to go fast.
Now Mary's going to fly the airplane. The airplanes that go out of this air base go to the South Pole, and there's a picture of the South Pole. Another thing I just found out, I didn't realize this before, the C-130s with the orange tail on it, those signify that they have skis on them. You can see the skis right there, and that means that they can land in the snow.
Daddy, come on.
We found another plane to fly right there.
And he came to all try.
Okay.
Those people look creepy.
What's wrong with them? And this is the mock-up airplane that they used for the Amelia Earhart movie. This museum is in this big, huge hangar, and look at this. Someone obviously liked it. Peter's flying the helicopter.
I'll try to fly it too.
Okay.
What are these for?
Here we go. On.
Mary wants to get into the helicopter
You
with
go
me.
in first and then I go next.
Okay, here we go. Into the helicopter.
Hey, look it!
This is the gunner. It's supposed to shoot this and it'll shoot guns.
Daddy.
And
What?
I'm gonna close up the door.
This, Dad?
This is
I was going to
a cyclic stick. It makes all the blades go up and down. And then this one here makes you go to the right or to the left or forward or backward. Pretty much all these controls do is change the pitch of the rotor blade, and that moves you around wherever you want to go.
I'm gonna close it up.
Now Mary's going to fly the helicopter. Are you a good helicopter flyer?
Now I need to hit this.
Oh yeah, those are the foot pedals.
Okay.
Oh no, they're up in the air. How did you get up there? Oh, Grandpa's flying an airplane. And oh no, Charity rode on the struts of the aircraft.
Dad, what is this for?
Which one? This one. That one changes the direction you go. If you want to go forward or backward or to the right or to the left or turn. It's on the time. This is how high up you are.
Well, 2,000 high up.
You're 2,000 high up?
Yes. Ready to go. Oh, Mom, look it. We're 3,000.
And Lydia's an astronaut. Who else wants to be an astronaut? Okay. Okay, can you make Grace be an astronaut, Peter? And the world's smallest astronaut. Now Mary's an astronaut. Now we're checking out the helicopter. You want to drive it? Grace just said drive it.
It actually has seat belts.
Checking out the MiG-15. So I guess the kids get to try the airplane. Does anyone want to ride in the airplane?
Just so kids can't block it.
It's hot in here.
Turn on the air conditioning.
Oh, well, here we go.
It's just about full-size North Korean.
Do you like it, Peter?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. What is this Chinese thing over here?
What?
I'm done with my mission. Now it's my turn.
Now it's Mary's turn.
Doesn't
You got me to go in?
Is it fun, Dad, in there?
Yeah, it is fun. Hey, Mary. Want to climb in with Daddy?
Yeah.
Yeah, Daddy is pretty big for this.
Yeah.
So this is what it looks like inside the cockpit of a MiG-15.
There's also Chinese.
You're right, there's Chinese writing on there.
If you're Chinese, if
And then there's some Russian right there.
And there's more Chinese everywhere.
Right. Oh.
But it stinks.
Yeah, it does stink in here.
Can you just put that down? Stinks like a house on fire.
You like it, Mary?
Yeah,
Okay. And there's a C-130 over there in the background. Those are the ones that land in Antarctica and Greenland.
Oh, look, there's
Yeah, oh look, there's one taking off right now. A C-130. And C-130's got 1/3 of a mile per gallon. There he is. There's John. He's coming in right above the tree line. He's almost on the ground. Right?
Oh, that's where they are, way over there.
For whatever reason, they are taking off again.
Maybe someone did a bad turn.
Yeah, they probably just, maybe they wanted to give him another chance to land. And they're coming in for another landing.
I think they're actually Yep.
So they're coming back. Almost here.
Come in.
Back.
Not John. Not John.
Hey John, is your barf bag empty?
That's not funny.
Is it?
Yes,
Oh, that's good. Was it fun?
it was.
Did you get any pictures?
I did.
Any videos?
Yes.
Did you get a fly? Why did they touch down and then went back up? Why? I'm asking you a question. Why?
John's showing off all his pictures.
I can't see.
It's kind of bright here to see that.
Oh, it has life net on here.
So you're not going to believe what we're going to do now. We're at the airport and the Navy was here doing an open house and they have these balls here that you can bounce around in.
Come on, kiddos.
And we're going to do that. Charity doesn't want to go, so she's going to be the videographer.
There's Grandpa rolling Peter around. And then over there, there's Lydia. Peter's trying out the ball.
Do it if you did.
Gracie, you can't go in those balls. They're too big for you. Come here. See, there's Lydia.
And then you can fall and then it'll roll around a little bit.
Is it fun?
Oh, look at John or Peter.
Whoa.
Whoa. Oh, there's Daddy.
Oh, and Daddy is doing it. And there's Lydia and Daddy. Now Grandpa's trying one. Peter just did a handstand.
Grandpa's got it upside down.
Oh my. Look at all these balls. Oh my. That looks scary.
No.
That looks scary.
Sure.
Put your hat too, honey.
And there's Daddy.
Okay, here, stay with Grammy, honey.
Maybe you can switch with Lydia. Hey. Is it fun? Dad.
What?
Is it fun?
Yes. Oh, I think I see a little one over there.
Do you like it, Lydia?
Yeah, kind of.
Yes?
Yes.
Oh my. There's a grandpa. Oh my. So how do you like Grandpa's new look?
Okay.
Oh my.
She goes.
And there's
Out
quite the
again.
fight going on
You
over
wanna
there.
stand up now?
Lydia, you like that?
Okay, there she is.
And we also have a fight going on over here.
Hit me again.
Here comes Peter. He's gonna do a handstand or a ball stand. Here goes Dad. Hey, Pete.
Stop. I just got a phone call.
Oh.
Peter won the backpack.
Oh, okay.
So he's going to stop on his way home and drop it off.
Peter just got his backpack, and what's in there?
Let's see what there is in here. There's 2 books. Notebook. There's scissors.
Whoa.
There's pens. Cool.
I like that, Peter.
I do too.
I like his bright green.
I do too.
Now you can go to school.
I'm gonna show Grandma what I got. Grandma,
Now he wants to show Grandma.
look. That's what I got.
A puma.
A backpack.
Very
And I got
nice.
more stuff up there.
The kids always love Grandpa's and Grandma's games when they come over. They always bring a lot of really good games to play. And Grandma got Grace a castle. Well, all the girls a castle. And it looks like she enjoys it quite a bit.
Yeah, John and Peter helped me build. John and Peter build it first, and then I build it myself.
She knows she's being filmed.
Right.
You should watch that play.
Mommy has some yummy tater tot casserole for you.
And I put cheese on top.
Oh, she goes, yum.
I'll eat that. Grandma Michigan cooked for us today. She made some tater tot casserole. And we also have some tail end of our peaches. They're starting to not look quite so good, but anyway, we still have one more meal of them at least. And some corn, and I'm not sure what that is over there.
Applesauce.
Look at this. Janelle and I are on a date.
Can you believe it?
Yeah, I know,
That
it's
we're
amazing.
on a date.
We're holding hands. See? Hands.
We're on a date to Dollar General.
Right. My parents are at home with the kids watching them, so we get to go on a little date.
We're looking for the ball canning lids, because last year I got them on clearance at the end of the season. This should be the end of the season, but I'm not seeing any. I'm not even seeing any canning stuff, so I think we're going to have to ask.
Lighting is terrible, but you guys can understand. So we went into Dollar General, and we asked where the canning lids were, because we couldn't find them. And the lady was looking, trying to help us. They didn't have any. So we're walking around the store, and then another lady came up and asked the same lady if she had canning lids. So we said, no, we don't. And then the lady said, what are you canning? And we said, tomato sauce. And she said, so am I. So Janelle, being the food person she is, we actually talked to this lady for about 20 minutes, a half hour, something like that. In the store, talking about all our food, cooking.
She's Italian. She's a genuine, her mother's from Italy. And so they make almost all of their food from scratch. And so she was telling me how she has pickled eggplant and how she makes eggplant parm, and she makes her own bread and all the bushels of tomatoes she does to make sauce. It was an absolute blast. It was
kind of funny though.
It was. So we're gonna hurry home now that we stayed too long at the store. We're gonna go. We leave Grandma and Grandpa.
Home. We'll hope everything's okay.